So you think it come on? Y'all looked at it and y'all think everything will come on. Look at it. Now, do you think it come on? The way power run, you think it come on? Okay, turn it on. If you think it come on, you sure?
Not sure.
You should be sure. You think it come on?
Oh, didn't come on.
Why it didn't come on? Just follow your wires. Well, all that's good. Follow where you getting your feed from. So, watch how you grab the wires, even though it got wire nut. So it is plugged in.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta plug it. That's what I'm saying. Watch how you grab it.
Why it's not on? Yeah. You just was in the right box. Why it's not on?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Look, follow your wires.
Don't say nothing. Oh, sorry.
Don't take that off. You know that's hot, right?
Fuck yourself up.
It's gonna be like me with a switch.
Why it's not on?
I don't know.
Your power comes from here, goes to here. Why it's not on? Here's your circuit. So what has to be done? Here's the power. What you think got to be done?
What you ain't do to it?
Come on, man. It's a quick fix. I don't know.
Oh my God, brother. You do know. He's showing you.
Really
Why it's not on? This is yours. So what you got to do?
Don't say you don't know.
Please.
Stop touching that hot wire, please. What you got to do?
Keep motherfuckers.
So you're going to put this on here. This is coming from the source. This is the source. Hey, this is hollering. Man, we need power. We want to come on. This neutral goes here. And then this black going to go where?
Around there.
And then you get power. This just needs power. Here's where the power at. That needs to touch that. You still don't know?
Yeah, I know now. You just told me.
Okay, my brother.
Come on back.
Yeah. All right, let's turn it on. We clean it up now.
I see.
Now you know. How you scared?
Yo.
You did that. You got to get comfortable, brother. Look, we electricians. We comfortable. Be comfortable with your work and understand everything you got. Remember, you're not going to get shocked unless you touch this copper right here. And you're on installation, you good. You understand?
He just told me a glove. I mean, something blew his hand up. I'm not.
Yeah, I understand. But get comfortable. Because if you
just said that you was
look,
but not
respect
showing
it, respect it. If you respect it, you're good. Don't be scared of it.